BRB. Hold on. Alright, 8 seconds, let's go. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Two, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Oh! One, two, 3, 4, 5. We're going to do different lines, okay? Alright. Since I'm the OG and y'all sponsor, and y'all feel like music ready, let me show you how it's done. Don't do that. Hey girl, what's your name, girl? I can listen. Elizabeth, cool, but my friends call me Daddy. Hey, you know that Solomon has 700 wives? Yeah, I knew that. Well, it's only because he didn't find you yet. Stupid. Stop going this much in yeah, Stephanie. Wow. So you think Slicker said? Well, duh. Girl, you just stole my heart.